In this tutorial, we will look at how to use Electros to manage your entire infrastructure from a single dashboard. Electros is available as a desktop application on Windows, macOS or Linux. In order to use Electros, you need to log in with your Elemento credentials. You have to put the username and the password chosen on the Elemento.cloud website. It is possible to eventually add also the organization of your account. Once logged in, it is possible to see your infrastructure. You can see the virtual machine, the networking and the storage in all the Atom OS related to your account. In the virtual machines, you will see all the running machines. In the storage and networking, you will see the related resources. And finally, in the dashboard, you will see a complete overview of all your infrastructure, given the number of VMs, the number of cores, the number of storages, the kind of storages and the number of networks, all in a single web page from the Electros application. You'll have a complete overview in a single page on the Electros application. Using Electros in the Virtual Machines tab, you can have a complete overview on all the running VMs. If you click on a particular machine, you will see all the information related to it. You will find the user ID, you will find the attached volumes, the networks and the PCI devices related to that machines. You can open tunneling towards that machine or forwardings. You can create and schedule backups, and you can start a live migration for that machine from that server to another server, all in a single page of Electros. Using Electros, you can create and manage networks on your infrastructure. First of all, you need to pick a name of your network connection. You can choose if you want to share this connection with other users. You can choose the type of the connection, for example, net, open or routed or isolated. You can choose the address of your connection. You can enable the DHCP server using the start and the end of the range. You can eventually select a static route for this kind of connection. And finally, you have to choose a server, and this server will take care of this connection. Once you are ready, you click Create Network, and the network is created on Electros. Using Electros, you can click Connect and connect to any virtual machine. With this window, you can select the quality of the connection, you can send command to the VM, and you can connect or disconnect. You can also interact with the virtual machine. You can, for example, write stuff in a terminal and use the virtual machine. This connection is ready also when the machine is not. For example, if the machine is booting up or shutting down, the connection will still be up. And you will see, for example, the Ubuntu logo, even if the machine is not ready. Visit docs.elemento.cloud for more information about Electros.